What's going on, everybody? This is your man, Mike Doc Rannigan, owner and operator of Doc's Roofing and Construction, United States Navy Marine Corps veteran, been in the roofing and construction business for over 12 years now. Today, we're gonna be discussing our new program that we're gonna be rolling out for homeowners. It's gonna be called the Doc's Home Health and Wellness Program. And what does this mean for you as a homeowner? What are the benefits to having an annual maintenance program where we come out and we take a look at your entire exterior of your property to help to prevent damage for the future? And what we're talking about is we're coming out, we're inspecting your gutters, making sure that they're draining out the correct way. We're going out and we're inspecting the brick around your home to see if you have any foundation shifting. We're coming out and we're looking at all of your windows, your window sills, making sure that they're not busted, cracked, that they have any missing sills. We're gonna get inside your attic to ensure that you have attic insulation inside of your home. We're gonna look inside of your AC pans to see if there's any water being built up and help you understand that. We're gonna hop up on your roof. We're gonna make sure that you don't have any exposed nails. We're going to make sure that you don't have any missing shingles. We're going to ensure that your chimney and your fireplace is up to par, especially if you have wood siding. We're going to inspect to make sure there's no dry rotting going around any of your wood, your trim, your soffit, and your fascia. And when we do that, we're going to be able to give you a written report along with photographs to tell you what your best options are to be able to rectify these small issues so that they don't become major issues for you in the future. Part of the Doc's Home and Wellness program is identifying and preventing key costly repairs. And what I mean by that is if you notice one day you pull into your driveway and you see a doggone shingle missing, some people can overlook that and say, oh, it's not a big deal. But over time, water can begin to penetrate inside your home, causing even more damage, such as sheetrock damage. And from that sheetrock damage, you can have mold begin to build up, and then the list goes on and on and on. So it's important that if you're part of our program, you can just give us a call. We run out there and we take care of that missing shingle. Other areas that can cost you a significant amount of money is when you have broken windows or your gutters are full of leaves. If your gutters are not draining properly and water begins to build up, that water tends to go up underneath the eave of your roof, and that water will go in between your brick and the interior of your wall, thus causing you an unforeseen water damage because not everybody's looking at that particular wall at any given time. So it's our job to come out there, identify to help you prevent these costly repairs for the future. Another key component with the Doc's Home Health and Wellness program is how can this program help you save money and reduce your overall energy cost. Many people don't know that if you go up inside your attic and your insulation is less than, let's say 24 inches, 18 inches or less, that your insulation is not doing what it's supposed to. So it's our job to be able to go in there, measure the depth of that blown in insulation and give you our recommendations to either increase or come back down and say, hey man, you're in great shape. Other areas that your home can lose a significant amount of energy, the gaps around your windows, say the caulking has begun to dry out, say you have a crack in your window. Maybe your windows are 20 years old and they're no longer energy efficient. Other areas around your front doors, garage doors, back doors, anywhere that opens up consistently to the outside. Every one of those areas that can allow your heat to be gone from your house is costing you dollar bills. So another key component with the Doc's Home Health and Wellness program is upgrading your curb appeal. We can take that old ugly roof that's been missing shingles and blistering and you see the fiberglass from the road, we can come in there and give you a complete assessment and a retail bid on getting that roof replaced. We notice that your chimney's missing 4 of its pieces of siding and it's rotted out, we can go ahead and get that repaired for you. If we notice that your gutters are overflowing with leaves, we can get that taken care of for you. All of these things are gonna help you fall back in love with the home that you purchased. Key point number 4 is peace of mind. If you're like me, you spend an X amount of dollars to move into the forever home of your dreams. And there's nothing worse than coming home and saying, I got another problem. It's gonna cost me another $5,000 to get this fixed. It's gonna cost me another $500 to get this fixed. Other key aspects of peace of mind is we are coming out to your home 4 times a year, quarterly. That means, when the seasons change, we're coming out there to reevaluate your property and looking at everything that could be a major problem and getting it fixed before it becomes a major problem, thus saving you time, energy, headache, and money. So I know what your question is. I know what's weighing heavy on your mind. Doc, how much is this gonna cost me? And I get it, money's tight around here, but I'm making this thing so affordable you can't say no to it. But most importantly, is it really about the money? I don't think so. I think it's about the money that we are going to save you and about the rebates that we're going to be able to offer you in the future. And what I mean by that is if you sign up for the Doc's Home Health and Wellness Program and you haven't replaced your roof in over 5, 7, 10 years or so, we'll take all of that money that you've invested into this program and offer you a rebate whenever you get ready to do one of those large expense repairs. For example, you need to redo your entire fireplace. We can use some of your program money to help offset some of those costs. If you're getting ready to replace all of your windows, we can use some of that money to help reduce some of that cost. When you're getting ready to replace your entire roof system, we can utilize some of that money to help you reduce those out-of-pocket expenses. So look at it like this, folks. All you're really doing is saving for the future while getting something extremely invaluable in return. And if you're interested in the Doc's Home Health and Wellness Program, give us a call at 214-284-0695 or fill out the form below. And as always, remember, if you love America, you'll love Doc's Roofing.